Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. Hi, my name is Auni and today I am going to talk about the role of chemistry in processing DNA and crime investigations. So, without further ado, let's get started. Basically, we are going to focus on some important techniques of forensic chemistry. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about our fingerprints. Fingerprints on smooth surfaces can be made visible by the application of light or dark powder, but the fingerprints on documents and checks are often occult. Occult fingerprints can be made visible with the use of nitrile, which turns into purple color due to reaction with amino acids present in perspiration. What is perspiration? Perspiration is the process of sweating. To understand better, I'm going to show you guys a video how they analyze fingerprinting.
Putting some black powder, which is also magnetic, and it gets attracted to the fingerprint.
And as you can see, we quickly get a fingerprint in the filter paper.
Latent fingerprints are fingerprints that you cannot see. So you know that they are there, but you cannot see them. So you need to find a way of developing and making the visual for everybody. Nitrile is used to detect the latent fingerprints. Nitrile works very well. It gives a very sharp color, purple color. Proteins are a sequence of amino acids. The molecule of the amino acid reacts on one of the oxygen of the nitrile molecule, and the reaction that is happening is called Strecker degradation. So they absorb in the region that gives us a purple color.
Secondly, I am going to talk about blood stain pattern analysis. So what you guys need to know about this is they will use gel electrophoresis. Now I am going to explain how does the gel electrophoresis work. Firstly, we will need to load the DNA mixture into the well with the help of loading die. After that, we can turn on the power supply. After the power supply has been turned on, the loading die will travel a bit faster than the DNA fragments in the mixture. This is because once the loading die reaches the anode, we can get the indication that the DNA fragments have reached somewhere near. Then the power supply has to be turned off. Now we know that the DNA molecules have been separated, but we can barely see them. It's not possible. With the help of magic chemistry, now we can see them. We're going to treat the agarose gel with ethidium bromide. Why do we use ethidium bromide? This is because ethidium bromide can easily bend to DNA molecules. When the agarose gel containing DNA is observed under the ultraviolet light, we can clearly see bright orange colored bands. These bands are the DNA bands.
So, the police are able to identify the man who burgled my house using his unique DNA fingerprint. They make a DNA fingerprint by taking a sample of cells from someone and separating fragments of DNA to make a pattern. If the pattern matches a sample from a crime scene, that person was there.
Thirdly is testing for alcohol by using breathalyzers. This device measures the amount of alcohol in our blood, which is also known as BAC, blood alcohol concentration. After drinking alcohol, the alcohol will get absorbed into our blood in our stomach and also our small intestine. The blood will carry the alcohol into our liver, lungs, and brain. You exhale it when you breathe. This analyzer is like fuel cell which made up of 2 platinum electrodes. One exhales air into it. Any ethanol that present in our breath, which comes from beer, wine, and liquor, will oxidizes into acetic acid at anode and cathode. This makes the atmospheric oxygen is reduced. As a result of this redox reaction, electric current is produced, which in turn is measured by the controller inside and displayed as BAC, blood alcohol concentration. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.